Alaska doesn't feel like a normal U.S. state. It feels like a different world entirely. A place shaped by ice, fire, and forces so large they make human life feel temporary. Mountains rise like walls from the earth. Rivers carve untouched land. And nature still makes the rules. To understand Alaska is to understand how small we really are. Here are 10 Alaska facts that will completely change how you see the last frontier. Fact 10, bigger than most countries. Alaska isn't just big, it's overwhelming. Covering over 663,000 square miles, it's larger than Texas, California, and Montana combined, with room left over. If Alaska were its own country, it would rank among the largest on Earth. It stretches so wide that parts of it line up with both Florida and California at the same time. Fact 9, home to America's tallest mountain. Denali rises more than 20,000 feet into the sky, making it the tallest mountain in North America. But what makes it truly extreme is how suddenly it rises from the land below. From base to peak, Denali climbs higher than Mount Everest does from its plateau. On rare clear days, it glows pink in the sunrise, visible from over 100 miles away. Fact 8, the most earthquake-active state. Alaska is the most seismically active place in the United States. Every year, tens of thousands of earthquakes shake the ground here. Most are too small to notice, but the state has experienced some of the most powerful quakes ever recorded. In 1964, one earthquake was so strong it physically reshaped the coastline. Fact 7, a kingdom of glaciers. There are roughly 100,000 glaciers in Alaska, covering about 5% of the entire state. These aren't frozen decorations. They move, grind mountains into dust, and collapse into the ocean with thunderous force. Some Alaskan glaciers are larger than entire U.S. states. Fact 6, North America's largest ice field. The Bagley Ice Field stretches for more than 125 miles and is thousands of feet thick in places. It's so massive it creates its own weather. Flying over it feels unreal. The sky and ice blend together until the horizon disappears, making it feel like you're crossing a frozen planet. Fact 5, a national park bigger than countries. Wrangell St. Elias National Park is the largest national park in the United States. It's bigger than Switzerland and larger than several famous parks combined. Most of it has no roads, no towns, and no signs of human presence. You could travel deep inside and be the only person for miles in every direction. Fact 4, rivers made from mountains. Many Alaskan rivers glow a cloudy blue, not because of the sky, but because glaciers grind rock into fine powder. That powder stays suspended in the water, meaning these rivers are literally carrying pieces of mountains toward the ocean, grain by grain. Fact 3, one of the best places on Earth for northern lights. Fairbanks sits directly beneath the auroral zone, making it one of the top places in the world to see the northern lights. During winter, your chances of seeing glowing green, purple, and red lights dancing across the sky are incredibly high. For indigenous cultures, these lights were once believed to be spirits moving across the heavens. Fact 2, a land of volcanoes. Alaska lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire and is home to over 130 volcanoes. Many are still active. Entire island chains were formed by eruptions, and ash clouds can rise so high they force airplanes to reroute thousands of miles away. Fact 1, a place still ruled by wilderness. More than anything else, Alaska's most shocking fact is how empty it is. With barely over one person per square mile, vast areas have never been touched by roads, power lines, or cities. You can travel for hours without seeing a single sign of human life. In a world that feels fully mapped, Alaska remains unfinished.